Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to generate random IMEI number of your REALME C71. Okay, so we are on the IMEI.info page, as you can see, and now in this bar we need to type the IMEI number of our device. If you don't know how to find it, on our channel there's a video when I'm showing you step by step how to find the IMEI number on your REALME C71. That's the video when I'm showing you all possible checking options on this site, so if you want you can look for it. Once you have typed your IMEI number, click on this blue button, check IMEI. Now we have our REALME C71, and now scroll down into the bottom until you find the basic checks. So now we need to find the random IMEI generator, simply click on that, now click on generate random IMEI. And now we have 10 random IMEI numbers. We can copy each one of them by clicking on that icon, which is next to each IMEI number, but also you can copy all of them at the same time by clicking on that button, copy all IMEIs. Below, we can also generate IMEIs for other brands. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.